Okay, now I'm going to show you manual machining with our single point tool, our universal tool. Now, on our control here, yeah, I've got Z, turn my hand wheel, I've got X. So I'm able to see my position of where I currently am. Now, you can see I've got my manual tool in there right now. So I'm able to move, see my Z, and I'm able to move my X. So let me face this manually. Now this is a 16-inch piece of P90 pipe. It's 1.38 wall. You can see I'm running the hand wheel. It's controlling the machine. So face that pipe. Just stopped it. Now, I could either, I can bore with it, I could turn the OD. Just turning the OD. Oh, so I could bore with it manually. Just by adjusting it, I could bore with it. I'm not going to, but I think you get the idea. So very easy to use. I mean, simple, but you can run the machine manually. It's very easy to program it, but there's times when you need to run it manually and you're able to.